me, Seth. I'm just over here riding in the back of this truck. And I'm excited because I haven't done this in a long time. You can hear the birds and different cars passing about. And this is awesome. I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time. So I just wanted to say hi. Oh, see how everybody was doing. This is great. Oh! Yay! Yay! This is awesome. I love this. I haven't done this since I was a kid. Huh? Oh, I thought they were talking to me. This is so cool. Woo! This is great. One of my friends is giving me a ride in the back of his truck in the part where you